Hello guys, my name is Shubham Hirime. Today's video topic is the constructor in Java. So let's see in the details. In Java, a constructor is a block of codes and it is similar to the method. So it is called when the instance of the class is created at the time of calling the constructor. Memory of the memory for the object is located is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least once a constructor is called. If you call a default constructor, if there is no constructor available in the class, then in such a case, the Java compiler provides a default constructor by default. There are the two types of constructor in Java. The first one is the no argument constructor, and the second one is the parameterized constructor. So let's see each one in details. So note that it is called the constructor because the constructor is the value of that time of the object creation. It is not necessary to write a constructor for the class. It is because the Java compiler creates a default constructor. If your class doesn't have any rules for creating a Java constructor. So let's see. There are the two types. There are the two rules derived for the constructor. First one is the constructor name must be the same as the class name. Constructor must have no explicit return type. And the third one is the Java constructor has no abstract, static, final, and synchronized keyword. So you can note that you can use access modifier while declaring the constructor. It controls the object creation. In other words, we can have the private, protected, public, or default constructor in Java. So there are the two types of constructors in Java. The first one is the default constructor, like we know that is default constructor is known as no argument constructor, and the second one is the parameterized constructor. The first one is the default constructor is the no argument constructor. That the default constructor is called by the keyword default constructor when it doesn't have any parameter. So what is the purpose of default constructor? The default constructor is used to provide the default values of for the to the object like 0 or null, etc. depending on the type. And the second one is the Java parameterized constructor, and that a constructor which has a specific number of parameters is called as a parameterized constructor. So another question is that why use the parameter? Why use the parameterized constructor? The parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to different objects. However, you can provide the same values also. The constructor overloading in Java. In Java, a constructor is just like a method, but without a return type. If it has also the over, if it has also the overloaded like Java methods. The constructor overloading in Java is another concept. The constructor overloading in Java is a technique of having more than one constructor with different parameters lists. They are arranged in a way that each constructor performs a different task. They are differentiated by using the compiler by the number of parameters and their types. And the question one is that can constructor perform the other basic instead of the initialization, yes. The answer is yes, like object creation, carrying a thread calling method, etc. And you can perform any operation in the constructor, and you can perform in the method. So the another question is that is there constructor class in Java? Yes. Yeah. And another question is that what is the purpose of constructor class? So Java provides a constructor class which can be used to get the internal information of constructor in the class. So it is found in the java.lang.reflect.package. So the last one question is that does constructor returns any value? Yes. It is the current class instance. If you cannot return type it, then it returns a value. So that's all about the overall information about the constructor in Java. Thank you guys.